Hello new investors, hello traders. Be very welcome in the Brazilian Traders channel. It is a channel that is being created precisely to bring relevant information from the Brazilian stock exchange and the financial market, within the modalities of day trade and swing trade. It is a great honor that I am bringing the first video of this channel, in which you are absolutely sure that will add information to people who wish to make the first operations in the financial market on the stock exchange, and also those people who already do today the operations however still lack a little content for it to become consistent. That is the main point of the channel, is to share content, share knowledge for the growth of the trader, growth of the investor. In this first video, we will bring basic introduction and the target audience of the channel, the content, objectives that will be presented in video form, and expectations. All this will be aligned here in the first video of the channel. If you trader or investor observe that the idea passed through the channel is aligned with what you want to receive, please subscribe in the channel, share video with friends, make comments, because I am absolutely sure that we will grow together. The investor looks at the stock exchange and thinks, what the stock exchange can offer? What I have to do to get profit on the stock exchange? Generates many doubts those novice traders. The channel will bring this information to lead the investor and the trader to follow the model that we follow, and today we are acquiring the results. The channel will be exactly with this goal of bringing centralized information, sequence based on our experience positive. The trader will be able to follow the same path also, but attention, it does not mean that people following the same path as we will also achieve successes. This has to be evaluated very carefully, because each person as much as receives the same message content, the person has to plot your own strategy and has to make your own operation, never based on the operations of others, so even though the end result can vary both for more and less. Based on our experience, we realize that there is a sequence for people to succeed in the financial market on the stock exchange. People need to study, knowledge, understand, apply, perform, pay attention, care and protect. This is very important, because when you go to make an investment in the stock exchange, you are putting your money, it will be in a broker at a bank in which you visit to seek profit. However, if you do not follow the paths that we understand are the correct ones to develop to grow, there is great chance of losing money on the stock exchange. So that person who wants to have an income extra, want to increase your capital, ends as losing, reducing. So even if the channel, it will always bring a cadence and presentations with the foot on the ground, always for all people to have their foot on the ground too, because you growing, developing, studying, for sure, you will achieve your goal. That way the central goal of the channel, our focus, is exactly to share content through videos on our channel. We will have a profile on Instagram in which will also bring content, but the vast majority of videos will be posted on YouTube, within that channel, in a sequence order. So the objective is to put basic information to serve as a reference for those people who are starting operations on the financial market stock exchange. The channel will focus on those interested in starting investments in variable income, or that are in training within the stock exchange. Based on this, the content of the channel will bring definitions, concepts, the beginning of everything, planning, types of operations, tips, graphic analysis, the factors influencing the chart, the existing strategies, patterns. An important point of alignment is what we will not do. Our intention is to share content only on YouTube for people to develop along with the channel. What we're not going to do is provide classes as a course, online training, mentoring, operating room, make content available outside of YouTube, groups in Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, closed group. None of this will be the purpose of the channel. We will not do that. The Brazilian Traders is here to bring content, bring knowledge to those people accompanied and grow along with the channel. In this way, the video model that will be presented on the channel will be short videos, For most cases, we will spend around 5 to 10 minutes for each video presented on the channel within a standard model. There are those models in which we will do a deeper analysis, where there may be videos with larger content. These videos will be fundamental for those people who are going to the most advanced, intermediate level. In this way, the focus of the channel will be to show the reality. Let's tell our experience without creating illusions and the false promises. Many people say you can get rich within the financial market doing day trade or swing trade. We will never doubt that this is possible. However, we recognize that the vast majority, the large mass, those new investors who enter the stock exchange, the reality is to get an extra income and get to have an additional capital every month is that which is the great goal of the vast majority of people achieves. Bring basic information. The swing trade, day trade, dividends, IPO, bringing information on definitions, access, operations, objectification of profits. The major challenge is the existing variables, point chart analysis. The graphic analysis that helps us to have a level of consistency that we are acquiring. We will show only an excerpt of this consistency that we have acquiring there in recent months, the part of strategy, care and recommendations, tips and risks. All this content will be made available on our YouTube channel. See now some videos of some excerpts. Some goals that we have outlined in recent months showing our channel consistency. You saw there are some results presented, and the most important are not the values that we achieved, but our level of assertiveness. You could see that in certain periods of times that were selected, we had 100% hit with great pride. This is quite difficult to get to that point. As I have said before, in day trade 95% of people lose money, and when we arrive a week with 100% hit, this makes me very proud. In this case, we worked with the minimum possible and we managed to withdraw this money from the financial market. This shows our consistency. It shows that the channel is going on a right direction for more and more to make profit in this financial market. Just to information to new investors, the people who will be following this channel. The channel already been mapped more than 120 videos. This is the first one. We will bring more of 50 golden tips within the context of the channel. Also, we kill more than 50 risks associated with operations. Also, out of respect for our internet and respect for people who follow the channel, the idea is we create 2 videos per week. Videos of basic, intermediate and advanced content. At the beginning, we will appear quite basic video, but over time we will go up the level and going to the intermediate to the advanced. Depending on the week, maybe there more than 2 videos arise depending on whether or there is some relevant fact, some more relevant information to contribute along with new investors, with traders and internet users. Only for you to have a perception within that mapping of the channel, the modules that have already been developed by the people of the channel in order to turn into video. We will have a module 1, the first one, channel presentation. We will also have some focus information and definitions of the modalities that we will bring in the channel. After, in module 2, we will have general information about mindset requirements to operate on the stock exchange. In the module 3, we will bring some definitions and link between actions and operations. The module 4, we will bring technical graphic analysis of future active stocks, indicators or key points. Module 5, we will bring information about investment in stocks, that is the swing trade. Module 6, we will bring investments in future assets, which is that our intraday operations, in this case is the day trade. Module 7 is what should not be done to lose money, so in this module we will put our bad experiences to share with the internet users. The module 8, we will bring simulations operations in real account. The gains, capital development losses and statistics that are fundamental for people based on the past prepare for the future, and the Module 9 will be general issues according to the relevance and need of the channel, only for you have a perception of the distribution of the levels of the presentations of the videos of the channel. The Modules 1, 2 and 3 will bring very basic information, and from Module 4 we will move between basic and intermediate getting to the advanced. This is an important point for us to be very well aligned with the new investors, the traders, with the goal of transparency channel. This is the first video of the channel. I hope you have enjoyed the information. If the content that we will bring here is aligned with you, again, please subscribe to the channel, comment, share, give your like in this video, because for sure, the channel will grow along with you. We can all, with knowledge, with strategy, with discipline, with planning, achieve consistency in the financial market. That's the big goal that the channel. And remember, all dreams, to extent possible, can be realized as long as it takes with awareness, with a lot of effort, dedication and satisfaction. Thanks again, a hug, and until the next video of the channel.